Hello, my name is Dr. Jeff Szymanski. I'm the Executive Director of the International OCD Foundation that's located in Boston. So the International OCD Foundation was started in 1986. It was started by a group of patients who were receiving SSRIs. So it was one of the first SSRI trials. SSRIs are medications for people with OCD. And this was back in the mid-'80s. The person who was running the trial, Wayne Goodman, was also involved in helping this group kind of get together and spend time with each other. And after they left the trial, they were all inpatient. And after they left the trial, they all agreed to continue meeting together. And that really was how it got formed. And Wayne stayed on as the first chair of the Scientific Advisory Board. Their primary mission, which is still true today, is to support research into OCD and related disorders and to provide access to needed resources for people with OCD. Do I have OCD? What does the treatment look like? Who else has OCD that I can talk to? And where can I get effective treatment? And so then the last piece of the mission is really to increase those resources. And so we do lots of trainings. We do 8 smaller, what we call behavior therapy trainings around the country. We've started doing those internationally. We do online consultation groups. We do online webinars, all about getting mental health professionals to learn the skills that they need in order to effectively treat OCD. So you can find us at IOCDF.org. When you get to that homepage, primary resources we have on that homepage is to look for a provider. So there's going to be a find help button. You put in your city and state, and when you click on it, OCD specialists are going to show up. If there's a local affiliate, that will show up. Support groups, in-person support groups will show up, and any specialty clinics and programs that treat OCD are going to show up. The other primary thing we have on the website is just general information about OCD. Again, what it is, what it isn't, how you can learn more about a particular subtype of OCD that you might have. So if you come to the conference this year, here's what you're going to run into. Because we have so many audiences, back in 2008, 2009, we started to track the conference. And what I mean by that is that there are 12 talks that go on at any given time at the conference. And so they're going to be aimed at researchers or therapists or people with the disorder, or they're going to be very broad and they're going to be for everyone. We run the hoarding meeting during the OCD conference. And then we have rooms based on age for our younger attendees. So we have an elementary school room, we have a middle school room, and we have a teen room. And that was launched a couple years back. So this will be the 3rd year that we're doing this. So what you can expect is there's lots and lots of information in these workshops. And again, what's cool is that the people in the audience are represented by the people on stage. And so there are researchers who give talks and therapists who give talks and people with the disorder who give talks and family members who give talks. Sometimes they're mixed panels. My favorite talks are the ones where it's a researcher saying, here's this new treatment, and then a therapist saying, and here's how I delivered the treatment. And then the patient who got the treatment is saying, here's what it's like to receive the treatment. So I think those are really cool talks.